Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square marketing email campaigns for follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Square marketing email campaigns for follow-ups, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main menu. Select email campaigns from the available options. Click on the Create Campaign button to initiate a new campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to create for follow-ups. For instance, you might want to select the follow-up option for past customers. Next, select your target audience by choosing from your customer list. You can segment customers based on their previous interactions or purchases. After selecting your audience, click on Next to move on to the campaign details. Now, enter a compelling subject line that encourages your customers to open the email. Design your email by choosing a template that fits your brand. Customize the template by adding images, text, and links relevant to your follow-up. Make sure to include a clear call to action that directs customers to take the desired step. Once you're satisfied with the design, preview the email to ensure everything looks correct. Check the spelling and ensure all links are functioning properly. After reviewing, click on Next to set up the campaign schedule. Decide whether you want to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date. If scheduling, select the date and time that aligns with your marketing strategy. Once you finalize the schedule, click on Confirm to proceed. Review all the campaign details one last time to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on the Send Campaign button to launch your follow-up email. Monitor the campaign's performance through the Analytics section in your Square account. Make adjustments to future campaigns based on the insights you gather from your analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.